Red Sea is just waking up. Bit of a maintenance day today and water change day. Last night we decided to do some work in the sump. So I bled off another pump in the main chamber just to get this chaeto tumbling. And it's looking fantastic. Just got to put the separator back in front of that skimmer. Get a crack at that. Tumbleweed in Texas couldn't beat that sucker. Hello pussycat, what are you doing? Tank looks brilliant. We're not too far away from getting the big boys set up. That'll be exciting. Eel water change soon, they just had a feed.